In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pictures on a Wix website. Whether you're showcasing your portfolio featuring products or simply adding some visual flair to your site, pictures can significantly enhance the user experience and aesthetic appeal. Let me walk you through this process step by step so you can easily incorporate images into your Wix site. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Wix homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to click on Design Site. This will guide you directly to the website editor where all the magic happens. Navigating to this section is crucial as it provides you access to all the tools necessary for enhancing your website design, including adding images. Once you're in the website editor, you'll notice various options along the sidebar. Look for an option that says Add or Add Element. Clicking on this will open a menu of different elements that you can incorporate into your site design. This is where you find the image option. So go ahead and click on Image. This action will bring up several options for uploading images. Wix offers a variety of sources to choose your pictures from, including direct uploads from your computer, selecting from social media platforms, or using one of Wix's free image libraries. Take a moment to consider which source best suits your needs. If you want to use a personal or specifically curated photo, you'll likely proceed with uploading directly from your computer. Now let's get to the browsing part. In the upload window, navigate through your files to find the image you want to add to your website. Simply click on the image file and it will be imported into your Wix image library. From the library, you can select the image and add it directly to your page. When selecting an image, keep in mind the resolution and dimensions that will work best for your design, ensuring it aligns well with the overall layout of your site. Once your image is uploaded, you can click and drag it to position it wherever you like on your page. Wix makes this process quite intuitive, allowing you to easily adjust the location and size of your image to fit perfectly into your design. Don't forget to preview your site to see how the image looks in the live version, making any final adjustments if necessary. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to add pictures to your Wix website. Pictures can truly transform the look and feel of your site, conveying your message more vividly. Remember, once you've added your images, you can always go back to tweak them or try different placements until you're satisfied. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create an even more engaging and visually stunning website.